Hey guys, this is Jake with RV Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you around a fresh trade we just took in, a 4-sugar Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite. This is the 8310 SS, and this is the diamond package as well. So for an awesome pre-owned trailer, you know, this is it. It's got power jacks, also power tongue jack as well. All power jacks all the way around in front and back. Big nice power awning here. Also really good looking, the frameless windows work out really good. Camper's been taking an excellent care. Got a external propane hookup here. Also really neat. Got an outside fridge as well for cooking out and everything outside you like to do with your family. Speakers outside. Very nice camper. Well, that's enough of the outside. We'll show you the inside here. This thing is super clean. Real nice, good floor plan back here. This is a rear kitchen model. It does have a Dometic gas and electric refrigerator in it. Also, and these forced drivers are really good high quality brand. You will have your solid surface countertops, big nice double bow sinks, residential faucets, 3-burner cooktops on them. Nice windows all in your cooking area here. You don't get with a lot of them. Also, you can't forget all this good storage space too. All the way around through here. Never can have too much. Down through here as well. Nice 4-chair dinette right here to sit at. Also, good couch, you know, plenty of space right here. Radio and everything, all your TV stuff will all be right here. Real nice, easy to access control panel right here on the wall. And then you have a dual entry bathroom here, which is really handy, especially using it with your family and friends. You can access from both sides. And this bedroom's awesome. It's got a big, nice bed slot in here, so it gives you this huge amount of floor space up here to use, so you're not real cramped. And also, this whole front cap will be all one big solid closet up here. And that goes all the way to the other side here. So you got good closet space here, good, nice spot to put your shoes and whatnot there. You know, awesome trailer, guys. If you might be in the market for something like this, feel free to give us a call, 606-231-2259. Again, this is a 4-sugar Rockwood 8310 SS. Feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.